Bats, the only mammals capable of sustained flight, are an integral part of our ecosystem. With over 1,400 species, they make up an incredible 1/5 of all mammal species worldwide. From the tiny bumblebee bat that weighs less than a penny to the giant flying fox with a wingspan of up to 6 feet, bats are as diverse as they are essential. Their roles range from pollinators to pest controllers, and their unique abilities like echolocation continue to intrigue scientists. Today, we're going to delve deeper into understanding these amazing creatures, their lives, their roles in our ecosystem, and why we must protect them. So let's spread our wings and embark on this exciting adventure together. Species of bats. Bats are a diverse group with over 1,400 species spread across the globe. Let's take a look at some of the most interesting types. 1. Bumblebee bat. Also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat, it is considered the world's smallest mammal by skull size and body length. Native to Thailand and Myanmar, these bats are about the size of a large bumblebee. 2. Giant golden-crowned flying fox. This bat is one of the largest in the world. Found in the Philippines, it can have a wingspan of up to 5.6 feet. Despite its size, it feeds mainly on fruits. 3. Vampire bat. Native to the Americas, these bats are known for their diet of blood, a trait known as hematophagy. There are 3 extant species: the common vampire bat, the hairy-legged vampire bat, and the white-winged vampire bat. 4. Mexican free-tailed bat. Known for their speed, these bats can fly at speeds of over 99 miles per hour, making them among the fastest mammals. 5. Spectral bat. As the largest carnivorous bat, it preys on small birds and mammals. It's found from Mexico to Brazil and Argentina. 6. Hoary bat. This bat is native to North and South America and is known for its distinctive frosty fur. This is just a small sample of the diversity seen in bats. Each species plays a unique role in its ecosystem and has adaptations that make it perfectly suited to its environment. Bats' anatomy. Bats are fascinating creatures with unique anatomical features that set them apart from other mammals. Let's delve into the anatomy of bats. 1. Wings. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Their wings are modified forelimbs with a thin membrane of skin called the patagium stretching between the elongated fingers and body. 2. Echolocation. Many bat species use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. They emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects in their environment, and by listening to the echoes, they can determine the location and size of objects. 3. Diet adaptations. Bats have diverse diets including insects, fruits, nectar, and even blood. Their teeth and digestive systems have evolved to accommodate their specific diets. 4. Roosting habits. Bats are known for their ability to hang upside down. This is made possible by specialized tendons in their feet that hold them in place without using energy. 5. Thermoregulation. Bats have adaptations for regulating their body temperature. Many species can enter a state of torpor, lowering their body temperature to conserve energy. 6. Size and weight. Bats come in all sizes, from the tiny bumblebee bat weighing less than a penny to the large flying foxes with wingspans up to 6 feet. Remember, these are just some highlights of bat anatomy. Each species has its unique adaptations that make it perfectly suited to its lifestyle and environment. Bat behavior. Bats exhibit a range of fascinating behaviors that are unique to this group of mammals. Let's explore some of them. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. This behavior helps them avoid predators and reduces competition for food. Many bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. They emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects, and by listening to the echoes, they can determine the location and size of objects. In colder regions, some bat species hibernate during the winter to conserve energy when food is scarce. They lower their body temperature and slow their metabolism to survive until spring. Some bat species migrate to warmer areas during the winter or to find abundant food sources. Bats often roost in groups in places like caves, tree hollows, and buildings. Some species form large colonies, while others roost alone or in small groups. Female bats often form maternity colonies where they raise their young together. They usually give birth to a single pup each year, which they care for until it can fly and hunt on its own. These behaviors can vary widely among different bat species. Each species has evolved behaviors that help it survive and thrive in its specific environment. Bats and ecosystem. Bats play a crucial role in many environments around the world. Let's explore some of the ways they impact our ecosystems. Many species of bats are important pollinators. As they feed on nectar, they move pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts, helping plants reproduce. Some plants, like the agave plant used to make tequila, rely almost entirely on bats for pollination. Fruit-eating bats help to disperse seeds. As they eat, they drop seeds in their droppings, helping to spread the plants they feed on. This is particularly important in tropical rainforests, where bats help to regenerate cleared or damaged land. Insect-eating bats are natural pest controllers. A single bat can eat hundreds of insects in one night, including mosquitoes and pests that damage crops and forests. Bat guano, droppings, is rich in nutrients and is an important contributor to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. It supports the growth of various cave organisms and is also used as a natural fertilizer. Changes in bat populations can indicate changes in environmental conditions, making them important for monitoring ecosystem health. These are some of the ways bats contribute to our ecosystems. Their loss could have cascading effects on other plant and animal species and ecosystem functions. Threats to bats. Bats, despite their importance to ecosystems, face numerous threats. Let's delve into some of the major challenges they encounter. The destruction of natural habitats due to deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture is a significant threat to bats. Many species rely on specific habitats like caves or old-growth forests, and their loss can have devastating impacts on bat populations. This disease, caused by a fungus that grows on the noses and wings of hibernating bats, has led to massive bat mortality in North America. It disrupts their hibernation, causing them to waste energy and deplete their fat reserves, leading to starvation and death. Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of power, but wind turbines can be deadly for bats. Bats are often killed by the turbine blades or the sudden pressure changes near the blades that cause internal injuries. Chemicals used in agriculture can poison bats directly or indirectly. Bats can consume pesticide-contaminated insects, which can lead to illness or death. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect bat populations by altering their habitats and food availability. In some parts of the world, bats are hunted for food, traditional medicine, or for sale as exotic pets. These threats are causing declines in bat populations worldwide. Protecting bats and their habitats is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Bat conservation. Given the numerous threats bats face, conservation efforts are crucial. Here are some ways we can help protect these remarkable creatures. 1. Habitat protection and restoration. Protecting and restoring natural habitats is key to bat conservation. This includes safeguarding caves, forests, and other important bat habitats from destruction and disturbance. 2. Research and monitoring. Continued research on bats, their behaviors, and their needs is essential. Monitoring bat populations can help us detect changes and address threats early. 3. Legislation and policy. Implementing and enforcing laws that protect bats and their habitats can be very effective. This includes laws that regulate pesticide use, hunting, and trade in bats. 4. Public education. Raising public awareness about the importance of bats and the threats they face is crucial. Many people fear or misunderstand bats, so education can help change attitudes and behaviors. 5. Community involvement. Local communities can play a significant role in bat conservation. This can include participating in citizen science projects, creating bat-friendly gardens, or installing bat boxes. 6. Disease management. Managing diseases like white nose syndrome involves research to understand the disease better, developing treatments, and finding ways to prevent its spread. Remember, every one of us can contribute to bat conservation in our own way. Whether it's learning more about bats, creating a bat-friendly space in your backyard, or supporting bat conservation organizations, every action counts. If you've enjoyed learning about the incredible world of bats, don't forget to hit that like button And if you want to join us on more of these fascinating journeys, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss a thing. Remember, every view, like, and share brings more awareness to the amazing world of bats and the importance of their conservation. Thank you for being a part of this adventure.